Welcome to another episode of Reserves Auto World. I am here at the Bates Nut Farm. I was here previously for the Euro German car show. But this one is special because you see, the cars here are all Buicks GNX 1987. So it's a piece of American history of these cars. And only 487 were built in the States. So these cars are extremely rare. So let's start off with this 1987 Buick. Beautiful. These cars were 3.8 V6 turbocharged engines. 0 to 100 was about 13.5 seconds. And 0 to 60 was about 4 or 5 seconds. So this is a fast ATT-N. And it has a very, very big turbo. You see here, this has been modified. So it must be producing more bhp, more torque. So beautiful. Look at the pipes, look how big the intake is. So it's all due to turbo and very nice, beautiful, very fast. And it's called the GNX, so it's Grand National. Not sure what the X means, but it'll come to my mind. But yeah, look at the inside of it. I mean, beautiful. Even the doors are classic how it looks. Retro, automatic. Yeah, very nice, very clean GNX 1987. And this is an 86 version model. Right next you got the white one. This is a 3.8 STI turbo. This is the Hearst 15th anniversary, so it had the bigger wheels and had these sort of red stickers, livery going across. It also had different lights and a spoiler, so slightly different from the other Buicks. And yeah, this is also a turbocharged Buick GNX. This was the 15th anniversary edition. Again, that's the turbo. He's done some modifications to it, but it's absolutely fascinating to see. So it's already 1986 Buick. You see in the 1980s white one. All came in black. So they had a trend of Star Wars, but Darth Vader was completely black. His getup was black. Darth Vader in Star Wars. So they sort of copied that sort of style or that sort of theme with the Buicks. But this one is white, so I'm guessing that's been resprayed by the owner at some point in his life. Yeah, they all were black wheels, and then right now, you see people have modified it. They've lowered the car, bigger turbos, injectors, exhaust systems, new stick-shift gearbox. So really nice cars. And there's also other American beauties as well, just right behind me. There it is.
Hi.
So yeah,
Are you live?
nice turnout. Beautiful cars. Yeah, there's another one as well, which is a more of a blue colour. So then I'm guessing that's being resprayed at some point. Or there must come in optional colours. Yeah, got Buicks across me, further up, and then if I turn around, you see some behind me as well. Yeah, what do you want to say?
Guys, look at this. Come to Buick at Bates. There's raffles. Say buy this. Get this.
So you heard the guys, there's a raffle going on at the event right now, so hit them up. And hopefully you might win a Buick as well. So nothing out there as well. So, I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh yeah, I was given one, so thank you guys. So that was Oh, a lot of dust here. Let's just go still further up. Yeah, two young suppliers keep it on. Want to say shout out the Buick and the raffle tickets, of course. So that was nice. They are custom made, you can just tell, and it just looks stunning. Even has a true mobile from the 80s. Not sure if it's working or just there for display, but definitely beautiful. This is a kind of a stock level Buick for the stock rims. Yeah, that's not being modified, but anyway, it's totally original. Maybe the inside has done some modifications, or it looks very nice and clean. Even the seats are brand spanking new. So now that's a lowrider, so I'm guessing it has function. You can move the car up and down. And this is a Monte Carlo Chevy. This is a Monte Carlo SS, so it's not the Buick. But if you look at the engine, that's a big turbo, right? That is massive. So that's the V8 and custom engine. It's got the wheelwood brake setup as well. Very nice and clean. Beautiful setup on this Monte Carlo SS. And it has the wheelwood brake setup, like I mentioned. And it has very fat wide tires. So this is definitely a drag car. Very nice build. Can't see the inside because the car is locked, so can't see much from the inside, but must be producing at least 1,000 horsepower. So it looks very beautiful. Love the rims, how it looks. I've got the concave deep dish rims, and it's got a nice stance to it as well. So it looks very, very nice, very subtle, but a very, very powerful and fast American V8 turbocharged. And then the next one as well. So this is a black top Buick. Nothing special, looks very subtle, looks very standard. But if you have a look at the engine, it's fitted a big turbo. So again, this must be producing a lot of bhp, a lot of power. Very nice and clean. And I'm going to move the camera across to the left so you can see more of the cars parked up. And I did see one, which is a white GMC. Now that was another iconic American car back in the 80s. So this is called a Typhoon.
While we're doing that, I want to welcome you.
I will look on Google and see what GMC Typhoon was. One of the iconic pickup trucks. Very powerful, fast at his time. But yeah, do search the GMC Typhoon. You'll see the history of it and the power it produced. So this car was, well, pickup truck was one of the finest, fastest pickup trucks in the States.
Artist extraordinaire. He's done the art for us more.
So you've seen other cars, you've seen the Buicks and the Chevys, all modified to a certain extent. On the other side there is a zoo, so they keep all the animals, which is quite entertaining. And you can feed the animals as well, so which is quite nice. So I'm gonna have a quick, let's just go there and have a look, because I know my channel is based on cars and, you know, car events, so I thought this would be a bit different to see all the animals here. You've got goats, got birds, got chickens, so and you even have a horse. So, let's flip the camera so you can see for yourself of these animals. Yeah, we're surrounded by Buicks. You can see at the angle. I think that's a Thunderbird just there. Yeah, it's a very nice setup, beautiful cars. People here, you know, enjoying the time. It's sunny San Diego, so hope you enjoy the content. Like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I'm still here in San Diego for a couple of more weeks. And then hopefully I'll be back to doing more car shows and heading off elsewhere. So I'll catch you later.